Hi everyone, this is a quick screencast where I'm going to show you how to get Git set up in the RStudio IDE. So the RStudio IDE actually has integrations with Git. In the top right corner here, it normally has a Git pane that you can use. However, a lot of people don't know this because it does not always show up by default. So in order to get started with Git in RStudio, the easiest way of doing it is by creating a new project like you would normally, and we'll call this my R project. And all you have to do here is make sure that the create a Git repository option is checked off. So by doing this, it will initialize a Git repo for you. You can see the git ignore file here, and now see the Git pane is showing up. The Git pane has a whole bunch of controls that you can use, things like committing your changes, viewing the history, and so forth. So it's super easy. If that didn't work for you, there's a couple of things you may have to do. So obviously, first things first, Git needs to be installed on your system in order for it to work. So make sure that's been completed. Then go to Tools, go to Global Options, navigate to Git, and make sure that the option here, Enable Version Control Interface for RStudio projects, is checked off. This here should point to wherever you have Git installed on your system. Now, the other common thing that you might come across is you may have an R project where a Git repo was not initialized at the time of creation of that project. So if you'd like to add Git later on, then what you want to do is navigate to Tools and go to Project Options. From here, navigate to Git and make sure that the version control system is set to Git.